Welcome to Metaneering Ministries. Our sermon was written and prepared by Minister Alexandria Ama. I'm Callum, and I'll be delivering this wonderful message today. Today, we delve into the profound intersection of God and the abstract, exploring how these seemingly disparate realms can illuminate our understanding of the awakened spirit and the depths of the divine. In our daily lives, we often grapple with abstract concepts: love, justice, beauty. These ideas are intangible, yet they shape our experiences and understanding of the world. Abstract art, for instance, invites us to see beyond the literal, challenging us to feel, to interpret, and to engage with the essence of what is portrayed. Just as an artist uses colors and shapes to evoke emotions, so too does God express the divine through the abstract. God transcends our understanding, embodying the ultimate abstraction. We cannot fully define or confine the divine to our limited perceptions. God is the source of all existence, the energy that flows through creation, a presence that invites us into deeper connection. In the words of Rainer Maria Rilke, "The only journey is the one within." Our journey to God often mirrors the exploration of abstract art, a movement toward the unknown, a quest to understand the deeper meanings behind our existence. In recognizing God in the abstract, we awaken our spirits. This awakening is not a one-time event, but a continual process of discovery. It is about peeling back the layers of our understanding, inviting vulnerability, and embracing the mystery. When we allow ourselves to engage with the abstract dimensions of God, we begin to see the divine in the patterns of our lives, moments of joy, pain, love, and loss. Consider the parable of the mustard seed. It starts as something so small and seemingly insignificant, yet it grows into a tree, sheltering and nurturing life. In our abstract understanding, this parable reflects the journey of faith, how our small, often chaotic thoughts can blossom into profound understanding and connection with the divine. As we explore these depths, we find that the divine is not always found in clarity and certainty. It often dwells in ambiguity, where faith meets doubt. Just as abstract art can evoke a myriad of interpretations, so can our relationship with God. This is where true spirituality lies, not in answers, but in the questions, the search, the yearning for connection. In the stillness of prayer and meditation, we open ourselves to this divine mystery. Here, the boundaries of our understanding blur, and we feel the presence of God. It is in these moments that our spirits awaken to the reality that we are part of something much greater than ourselves, an intricate tapestry woven with threads of love, compassion, and grace. As we leave this space today, let us carry the understanding that God resides in the abstract, calling us to awaken our spirits and dive into the depths of the divine. Let us embrace the ambiguity, allowing it to guide us toward a richer relationship with the sacred. May we find the beauty in the unknown, and may our hearts remain open to the endless possibilities that arise when we seek God beyond the confines of our understanding.